Okay, so this is how you make lazy rice, lazy fragrant rice. Okay, rice, this is 1 cup basically. 1 cup of rice, this thing. Okay, rice in, English pepper, just a few of them. It's like 10. This is bay leaves, a few bay leaves. If you cook 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cups of boiling water. If you cook 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of boiling water. Just 1.5 times the amount of rice in boiling water. Okay, that's it. So I make 1 cup, so 1.5. Perfect. You add some salt. And while it's boiling basically, mix everything together. To get all the taste inside the rice. Now it's boiling. Once it's boiling, you move it to the smallest flame basically. Close the lid. Now, cooking time. 10 minutes. Put a timer for 10 minutes. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes pass, you close the flame, you turn it off, and then you wait 10 more minutes. That's it. You've got your lazy rice. Perfect. Perfect lazy fragrant rice. Bon appetit.